jump right in on it. Hey folks, that's right, we're here. We have the engine that's going into this Ford Edge that's right over here off camera next to me, Herbie, and we have a 3.7 Duratec, and we don't even know what the date on it is. We're going to open it up for you all to see what a factory Duratec looks like and then what the date it was produced and everything. So we're going to go ahead, start opening this, and check out the brand new engine that we're going to put in, Herbie, the 2011 Ford Edge SEL. Okay, let's go ahead and lift this thing off of here. There we go. Brand new engine, so we're going to go ahead and pop everything off of here. Metal straps or plastic, and we're going to take a look at this engine. Let's see if I can't get this off of here. Oh, that's metal. That one's metal right here. Oh, always something. We got the hooks right here to lift her up. We definitely used one good strong one here. Okay, no waste of plastic. We got it on here pretty good. We will have to work on getting this thing off of here. Everybody likes a shiny engine, right? Even comes with an oil filter attached. There we go. And we have an oil cooler. Okay, what it was, I'll bet you. There we go. September 2020 is the build date. The block date is right there. If you guys can see it, focus. That's the block date. So we got a July 20 block and a build date of September for this 3.7. And this is a brand new long block. This is how it comes in. We have the intake right here, all fresh valve covers. We have some plugs that are put on here. We'll have to change over a few things, but it even comes with a PCV on it already. And spark plugs, folks. This thing is a complete engine. Comes with spark plugs.
Crank positioning sensor.
Yep. There's our crank sensors right there on both sides. Our water intake, coolant, and then of course we have nothing else on here. So we'll have to transfer the flywheel, and we're going to put a new torque converter on this. So we start out fresh with everything on here. So the flywheel and the torque converter will be brought over. Depending on cost, we may just go with a brand new flywheel and we're definitely going with a new torque converter. So we'll inspect the flywheel, but we might just go ahead and get a flywheel just for it, so we have a complete new system right up through the tranny. But we're going to use the same transmission, and this bad boy is set up with an oil cooler, so that means the towing problems will be alleviated for the oil. We have our oil cooler, so we'll have to hook that up. Now that may mean that we have to figure out the plumbing, because I do not think that Herbie has this system set up on it, so we may have to address this when we go to put this in. So that may be one thing that we have to address, but everything else is brand new on this, folks. This is the 3.7 that will be going into Herbie and be sliding right into this spot. So that's what the plan is, and this is the engine that's going into it, folks. Hey folks, I hope you like this engine reveal, and of course subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Help support this channel so we can keep doing content like this, and follow this project along. Give me all the likes and everything else you can, and just help me support this, because this is a fairly expensive project, and by watching my videos you help pay for what I'm doing here. So anyway, my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. Also, Band of One's got some great music, and the girl that's getting this car is Mercy Girl, and she always has a couple of one-liners for you.
Thank you for watching MacT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a MERCYGIRLS production.